Hello. Hey, Brick Front Properties and Construction. So we picked up a new project here in Rockville, Maryland. It's a great neighborhood. It's a cul-de-sac. Got this for a very good price. And we're going to go inside. We started doing demo work today. Got the city of Rockville coming out to pick up the trash. Landscapers coming out to cut the bush, the trees, the bushes. The roofer's coming out next week. And we started in here today. Started doing the demo work. We're going to open that wall up here and then take that wall down, cut it from the top. Got all the cabinets out, the microwaves. All this is going to be gone by Monday. Demo day. Brick Front Properties and Construction. If you guys are looking for a complete construction company, electrical work, plumbing, gas, roofing, doors, hardwood floors, painting. We've been doing this for years. So give us a call. Look us up. BrickFirmProperties.com. And you can see some of our other projects that we've done. Get it, baby. Demo day, demo day. Got the doors off here. Got the wood paneling off the walls here. This wall had all the wood paneling, so that's going out. Put in new window trims. Prime the walls, sand them, skim them. The lady left some furniture here, and I gave her until this weekend to get it, or it's going to the trash. She got until Sunday, or all of this is going out to the trash. 3 bedrooms up here, 1 bathroom, all closets. We're gonna open up the kitchen so that you can see the natural light coming in from those 2 windows. That window there and that window. As soon as you come in, you'll see all that natural light. So this was the kitchen. All right, Brick Front Properties and Construction. And here's the back of the house. We're gonna redo this deck later, but the deck is definitely got to be redone. And then you got the big piece of land that goes all the way down here. It's hilly, so it's a bitch cutting the grass, but it's a big piece of land. Then you got the side here. Neighbors are great. All right, it's a nice view from up here. And then we're gonna redo the roof, get the siding power washed. The windows look good, get them tightened up, and then we'll finish this project in a couple weeks. All right, thank you.